Hello there, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you are viewing this from. How are you doing today? Good. So, I'm having, what do you call it, a lazy day. So the other day I made some chicken, teriyaki chicken. I baked some teriyaki chicken, like I just said. And today, I don't really feel like cooking. You ever have those days? Today is what I call a lazy day. So I'm going to cut up this chicken, mix it with some noodles, and that's going to be our meal for tonight. I want to show you exactly what I did. It's coming up. Yes, Rod Elmore, leftover, blah, 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 blah recipe. Ha! Don't go anywhere.